that? Sick that. Jump high. Not bad for a brickie. Welcome to another episode of Hot Trowel, where nothing important is said, nothing important is done, nothing that you will learn educationally except for how to lay a brick, which again isn't really that important. So stay tuned for more useless information. So it's Tuesday today. Yesterday GoPro was dead and I had not been bothered whatsoever of even thinking about doing another YouTube video, except for quite a few nice comments, all good in the hood commentators, and I guess I'm only doing this for you guys. Trust me, I'm not doing it for me. Maybe when I start getting paid, and when I do get paid, I'll let you know how much I get paid and I will show you what I spend for that money. Shall I say how I spunk that money, shall I say, because it's Mickey Mouse money to me. Right, anyway, yesterday, what happened yesterday, Sean? It was busy here yesterday. Hi guys. Hi, this is Tom Hughes from Bethesda. What happened yesterday? Right, we moved the hot tub first thing from here to there, which was fun. Then we dug this out here, concreted it. Grab wagon delivered a load of stone, 9 ton. Kind of put some here. We haven't compacted it yet because it was still wet. So today we're going to be laying slabs. Sean, can you get a couple of mixers in? Joe, can you go to the van and get the primer for the tiles? Make a big mix of primer for me, please. Tom, do you mind getting on the rake, mate, and dechrau reicio hwn I fi, yeah? Okay, mate? Let's go. Nice boots you got on there, Sean. Hell of a chill today, yeah. Really cold. Cue the African music. Right. Oh, we've got a good team going on here now. Neat pants, you sure? Oh, just in case, I know nobody's wondering, but on the weekend I broke my shoulder, fractured. What's the name of the bone there? I think it's like a collarbone, so should be in a sling, but I got bills to pay. What was the name of that bone? What did I say it was? What? Oh God. Doctor did tell me give me an x-ray, there's a hairline fracture in it. What? What is it? Pallet. No, I don't need that. Oh God. Quality footage. Clavicle, fractured clavicle. Oh yes, lovely, lovely. Right, you shall need you do all the bulk for me, yeah, and then I'll just do the fine tuning, okay? So I've been struggling at night to sleep. Pretty painful. My bed more, when I does. Oh nah, you're going too low there now. Going too low there now. Pressure. Aye, going well here. However, this is what we need to show. Minute got on asses on. Look at this guy now. Can you see me there? Look at this guy going alright. He's already copped me looking at him already. Oh, come on, mate. Get to the good stuff. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, there you go. Oh, look at that, look at that. This guy knows what he's doing on the trowel. Oh, oh, lump there, look. Oh. Wow. 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 Good lad. He's got full control there. Going pretty well here. I say we're going pretty well, the lads are going pretty well. Credit where due. I think the issue we've got now is these self-leveling things. We've got that many left now. Oh, no. So we'll get another one in there. We'll start on the second course, yeah? Lovely. Lovely. Big area, yeah? Area out, isn't it? Big area. Yeah, big area. So he wanted to do some lights in here. So this wall that was built by someone else, you know, that manhole's kind of basically doesn't work to tile gauge, so it's there, which means that, you know, I don't know what we're going to do there, because that manhole is going to be in the step. So I'll think about that one just before going to sleep tonight. Just my mind's racing. Good job this one. Oh, what happened there? Oh. Oh, I feel like a spare part with on my shoulder here. If I'd like pick something up heavy, it bloody hurts. Good job, I've got the lads on the job, Oh, oh. I'll edit that bit out. Oh, I need to wipe my neck in a bit. The shoulder is killing me, to be honest. And having it in a sling is nice. I don't know if I should be driving, really. I don't know if I should be driving. If I take the sling out, I can drive, but it bloody just hurts. what was the establishment? Cafe Lotos. Pull your pants down. £14.50 for a veggie breakfast. Ouch. And is he the one?
£18 with the hot chocolate.
£18 for a breakfast with a hot chocolate. Right, we better get some slabs down now then. We did go to this place here, but we just missed the breakfast. What a place that is. What a gaff. What a gaff. Do it to me, do it to me, do it to me. The life of a brickie. Walk past us an average wall. Why have they got a split there? Have they got a split there and there? I mean, come on. Hoi lad. What? Hey, die was it tough. So I'm at the college here. Yeah, Merv?
No.
I donated a load of bricks. I think there was a couple packs. I think this was full pack. These 2 packs I donated. When I say I donated, did a job. That MKM Builders merchants, and they were just going to skip them. I said, listen, college will want these. So struck up a bit of a deal with the college tutors. So here's the crack. Sean, say hello.
Hot Trowel's back.
Right, so I've got some single bullnose blues, yeah, that have been cut like a voussoir, yeah? Is that what you call it?
Aye.
Yeah? So that is tidy, that. It's for my fire pit at home, which fire pit 2.0. 2.0, yeah. So these all been cut here. So I bought these bricks, right? So I had, how many is there? 40?
40 exactly.
40 exactly, yeah. So 40 single bullnose bricks there with 4 pillar caps, yeah, 9-inch by 9-inch bullnose capping, yeah, every side, yeah. So they were £40 a pop, and then bricks were, how much did I say they were? They were like, yeah, basically, yeah, 40 bricks, 4 pillar caps cost me 480 or 470, okay. Now, so you're talking
no pressure.
40, 80, 160 for the pillar caps. I think they were like £1.70 each or something, yeah.
Yeah.
So that would have been, let's just say it's 80 quid there, okay?
Yeah.
So 80, 200 and the maths let me down out. So you got 160 add 80, 240, yeah? Then the carriage was 80 on top of that, yeah? Which was 240, 320, yeah? Then the VAT on top of that then, yeah, the VAT. So just for 40 bricks and 4 pillar caps cost me, well, over 450, yeah? Nearly 500 quid. Scandalous. Am I allowed to film in here?
Yeah.
First, yeah? Yeah, see the lads, eh? So, yeah, the deal was the bricks for cutting these, yeah? Welcome to the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Good. Hey, this guy's the goat. Any bricklayers in North Wales, Anglesey and Gwynedd will know this guy. Yeah, very good. Very good. Just popping in to see the lads.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Have a look at your work there, lad. Nah, don't do them. No pressure. Yndw, yes, actually. Ti'n gweithio yn shop chips mewn y bridge?
No.
Na?
Just in gym na, Oliver.
O, na chdi, ia. Ah, ia. Gym buddy. Yeah, mate? Right, let's see what the contraption was here. basically he said that these would be made with the brick that I donated.
Dave Lee?
Dave, just on another site that I've got here now, and it's been a bit slow here recently, so waiting for these to go up, which is good to see. So these were the last ones that we did. Do you reckon you've got here just tomorrow that left, Dave? What, you just got tomorrow here left, yeah?
Probably the rest of the week.
Rest of the week, yeah? Why, what else needs to be?
Bay windows.
Oh yeah, fine, yeah, sound Dave. Let's go and have a look elsewhere.
Live in 25. Good solution now. Reasons to love it. From incredible offers.
It's back with us today. Start of the show. Right, so Wednesday morning. Turn this down a bit here. Don't get paid enough to advertise on this channel. Yeah, so yesterday we had a decent run here, to be honest, so far. I'm still in a sling, supervising. Supervisor, sling supervisor. Hey, looks like somebody's taught you pretty well how to lay these slabs. Honestly, now I've probably laid about. How many of these slabs do you think I've laid? Five. Oh, I'm here in spirit. Supervisor, sling spirits. Spirit. Fucking yeah, Chief Hydra. So okay, so what we've got is some grey tiles, yeah, whatever they are. There they are. Buff grey. Anyway, so there's like 30 grey tiles in the front, and I reckon they've got more somewhere. So I was like, where are they? Oh, the guy that's, well, I don't know if he's running the job, but he's the only one that's kind of calling the shots here, except for the client. He said, oh, I've got 2.5 pallets on my drive. What do you mean? Where's your drive? Oh, they're down the road there. Do you want to look at them? I don't know where you live. So jumped in a van with him, and so we've got 85 grey tiles. So I was like, where am I meant to put them? And luckily the client was here yesterday, so I've marked out. Because I'd already done these 2 rows, so I was like, right, why don't we do an area in the middle with a grey, yeah? So we found the centre. So I was going to look at them if you can see any of these lines here. So we've made these walls work to tile, yeah? So then what we've got is 2 tiles running down here, 2 tiles around the whole, two courses or whatever. The rest are going to be grey. Now that's only 45 of the tiles I can get in there, so we've got paths to go down here. So the other option was doing it all in buff and this all in this grey, and I thought that's going to look horrible, well, not ideal. So then we're going to do some grey down here. So we're going to have 1 row of buff, 2 rows of grey, and then 1 row of buff for the cut across there. So and then I think we might have like 10 left after that. So I can't use this arm, can I? So he's got a shed going there, so we're going to hide some under there. That's pretty much it. Ollie. got a good little system going on here. Me walking about, chatting to every fucking Tom, Dick and Harry. Turn the music up and down, dancing, and these boys just going for gold. Oh, Wally. Proper job, lad. Are they heavy for you, Tom?
No.
Yeah. Go! Tidy that, lad, tidy. So we're making some progress here. Progress. It's 10 o'clock, break time. Now what we've got here is, like I said, we've got the grey now is going to be in the middle, yeah? The only issue is that the grey tiles are bigger. Yeah, slightly bigger, so we're having to compensate. So we're behind the bond there, and to be honest with you, we might need to cut one just so we can keep our bond. So you can see here straight away that it's tight. We're trying to be behind a little bit there, you know, and it's starting to creep now, you know. So we might need to push them down a little bit more. For the games, for the games. So yeah, 10 o'clock. Should I take my hat with me? No. So I had a Spanish style tortilla for breakfast. I'm going on holiday next week, so Gran Canaria, I think. And the place is flooded at the minute, believe it or not. So I've had decent breakfast with pineapple slices. I don't need to eat at 10, do I? Lads, have a break. I'm not going to fucking break my arm even more. So I'm going to go for a walk. I'm going to go for a walk at break time, which is bonkers because you're in work to work, but let's take you for a little walk around Sneaker. Yeah, so like that's the job we're working. Literally come around the corner. You're at the seaside beach. Some gaffs around here, right? Some gaffs around here. I'll show you a few on the front here now. Look at that. Look at that. I wonder how much more the house prices are here. Because one of the lads was telling me he actually lives around the corner here. He said in the summer, yeah, he hates living here, even though it's really nice living here. But he'll say that all this road is jam-packed. Hiya! Right? All this road is jam-packed with cars. Can't even get to the shop. Can't even get a parking space to the shop. So, oh, that's our family, look. Hiya! Ah. Yeah, oh look at them houses there. They're weird ones, aren't they? Nice. Across the road here. Oh, look at that one there. See that one? I'll walk past that one now. That was like a castle, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah, I live in a castle next to the sea, mate. How's that? I wonder if you can go down there and have a look. Yeah, I'm just filming your castle, mate. What are you doing to my castle? Yeah, guy at the top, like. It's my castle. How would you get there now? Look, even the castle's got air support just in case. Yeah, I wonder how much more these houses are they actually worth it? Because in winter this place is like a ghost town. I have to say though, majority of my work, private work anyway, does come from, oh god, one private team minute. Oh no way, he's got his own bloody road. Oh god, it's like James Bond villains living in there. I'll just park my van here and watch who comes in and out. It's like I got eyes on you, mate. Oh, girl, doubt it. Doubt it. Maybe top wag, top gold digger. Landed on her feet, maybe, I don't know. Saying that though, all my girls are into living in castles, are they? Yeah. Just some scouse bent with some hair extensions like Rapunzel from the top of the castle. Oh, this one. People walk looking at the windows like, why is this guy talking to himself, carrying a camera? Fuck, yeah, it's a sad fuck, mate. Oh, fuck, that was cringe. Cringe, I would ask them. Tractors, if they'd got some houses in the building here. You looking for a brickie? Just took one look at me and goes, no, you're right, mate. So, yeah, look at this one house. I don't know if you can see it properly. Oh, God, awkward with the camera, isn't it? Look at that. Look at that. That is a nice gaff. That is a nice gaff, that, mate. Oh, look at the chairs there. Crippling your back on them. Oh, issues there with the scaffolding. Even the fucking gate door's nice. Right, I'm going to turn this off now because it's getting a bit weird. Right, gaff over there as well. Right, go through the back way into the castle. Oh. Nowhere to come if I'm short of sand on this job. Oh. Sean, go and fill some buckets from the beach with me. This guy's got metal detector here. Just gonna find a load of lighters. I'll ask him what he's found now. Bloody lovely here. Okay, mate, we found anything? Have you found anything?
No, nothing.
No? It's rubbish.
Copper.
Morning. G'day. Oh, see, that's what you're gonna see, look. Hey, fucking no messing, no excuses. David Goggins going on there, he's just read his book last night. Oh, look who it is. How are you?
Hello.
You're right.
You're right.
Yeah, I'm just going for a walk on my break. Oh, play rugby. Do you want to be on camera?
No, thanks.
No? Come on.
Absolutely not.
Come on.
Look at the no.
Come on.
What are you doing? Why are you doing that?
I'm just on my break. I don't want to eat, so I thought I do like these video vlogs and stuff. Well, I used to get back
What, as
into
part
it.
of the business or just?
Yeah, showing my work and stuff, and
That's
then
cool.
showing how much of an idiot I am as well.
Well, I've seen you by the
my
school,
work.
aren't you?
Oh yeah. But I thought you did a different way. What?
Yeah, I saw your van there.
It's always me by the school. No, I want to go and see that castle. I do. I tried to go in from that way because it's like a weird building, so I'm showing like these nice houses as well.
Oh,
Seeing it.
sweet.
Yeah, so
That's a good idea.
I'm going into
Sausage Castle.
Sausage Castle. Is that what it's called? Really?
Why? It was owned by.
Look.
No.
Okay, you can talk. Listen.
Well enough.
Okay.
It was owned by a family whose name I can't remember, but they
Oh,
built
sausage.
by them, and yeah, a sausage manufacturer.
Ah, right,
So
yeah.
everyone locally just calls it Sausage Castle. The kids have been in.
Have they?
Yeah, the school took them down once with the owners.
Ah, I thought some wag had landed on her feet, you see.
If only. Said it was a sausage family.
Right, so got some more information. The castle is owned by Wall Sausages. Look, even the front wall's got castle. I mean, and apparently, oh yeah, school trips and stuff will go in there. So, oh god, is it creepy if I like? That's a proper fort. That. How am I getting in there? Look, boarded up and everything. Let's see if I stand on this here. Can you zoom in here? Got a light behind you there, haven't I? How do you zoom in on this bloody camera? You can't, okay. We might have another entrance. Fair play, that is like a proper gaff, that. I'm not gonna show myself struggling getting a sand dune here. Oh my god. Wow, look at that. I would say that someone lives there, at least. No, I'm just gonna make it look obvious that I'm looking at the beach, but the camera is turned this way. Wow, that is some gaff, that. I mean, wow. So I've just created like what, 20 minutes, 15 minutes of useless footage on a lovely gaff. That is bloody lovely, that. Huh? Look at that for a view as well. Would I love to live here? Yes I would. Yes I would. Can I afford it? No I can't. Hey! Shall I even dare say like, share, subscribe, all that bullshit? Please get me in this house. Or choke on a wall sausage compensation. Give me a house, I will sue you. It's gonna go down well, isn't it? Right, do I get back? I'll try to go this way. I tell you, this is a bloody lovely place, this. So, which way am I going? This way or this way? Oh, look, another nice gaff. These are all bloody holiday homes. Nobody's living in them. No. Just come here, yeah. I might show you a little video here in the summer, yeah? The place is just rammed with boats and yachts and jet skis and money. Right. I'm in the wrong place here. There's someone there now. I look like a worker. They got scaffolding up. You may have a look at the job, mate. Just a bit of trespass going on here. Wow, look at that. This place keeps on surprising me, really. It's got like a little cul-de-sac of like log cabin type, beach type. I don't know. Are we actually in Wales? Where am I going now? I don't need to show any more nice gaffs, but look at that for a nice gaff. Wow. I tell you what, you would never think I like Gwalchmai's down the road now, would you? Sweating here from walking. Should have stayed in the van and had a pie or a pasty. Oh my god, there's more of them. I mean, even the garages look like, you know, oh, rusted. Oh, nice gaff. Look the size of that chandelier. Bloody hell. Right, that's it now, no more nice gaffs. Unless you see another really nice one. Oh, it'd have to be a Range Rover, wouldn't it? Two of them. Maybe one day I can lay enough bricks. Back just in time for break time, after break. Beep beep beep. Everyone hates it when that sound comes on. I've just been called a cheerleader. So we've started going and I did a bit to help out and it ended up hurting me. So it's quite frustrating. Sunshine, don't live in moonlight. Good times, blame on the boogie. Hey, do you know what this song reminds me of? You used to go on caravan holidays when you're a kid. You used to go on caravan holidays when you completely buckled. So basically there's 2-3 pallets down the road, yeah? So the phone call off one of the guys working for you. So they've got a farmer with forklift. Excuse me. It is. Farmer with forklift, it needs 50 quid. Trying to get 50 quid from post office. Then I smelt the fish and chips from all over the road. So yes, I'm out. Where was I? Oh, here we go. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. You want a chip, Sean?
I'm right.
I mean, I don't know if that's a big fish or a small fish. I won't even bother telling you how much that was, because Torstneger is not a cheap place. You right?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's Friday morning. I don't know why I've just put the camera on. I know I put the camera on because something's just triggered me. And the thing is with triggers, you should face them head on. Deal with it. Not deal with it. Okay? Yeah. So just been to Who's Grey, well, Builders Merchants, to get some recessed mantle covers. Anyway, listen to this, okay? So what I'll do is, I don't know, I'm incriminating myself again here for doing this. Okay, so
And so it means that she's doing something.
listen to this guy here, right?
Hi, it's Vernon at improvebyworld.com. There's a wonderful song, and the lyrics go like this. Yesterday has just departed, and tomorrow hasn't started. So all that matters is right now. And how true is that? Yesterday is gone. It's just a moment.
Okay, beautiful message, lovely. Driving on some Welsh countryside roads, looking at some stone walls. Oh, this is what life's all about. Just a nice, peaceful, in the moment. Whatever dramas yesterday or tomorrow, they're not in your head. They just me in this little moment now. Okay, and then you flick onto the next clip.
You get.
It's so weird having a whole human in you. I bet.
What's his name?
Jax.
Like, so it's a they? I'm just kidding. Because Jax, it's multiple Jacks. Just instead of one Jack, you have a few.
I missed that one.
Oh, it's just stupid. It was stupid.
Fuck off. Fucking hell. I mean, yeah, that guy's just spoken about having, like, really, the purpose of life, like dead simple talk, which is, does that make me a simple person? I don't know, but I guess, like, what, you don't need all the things to be happy, you just, the little things that you'd never think, just being happy from anything. And then you got these two bimbos talking about calling the baby a they whilst it's in the baby. The baby's got a gender already, so why are you trying to say that it's a they before, fuck. Dialectic. So here we are, coming up to the job. Coming up to the job. What's going on here now? Clients, James. Alright, alright. They've just had some awkward conversations by looking at the faces. Fuck. Oh, living my best life with my knackered shoulder. Ooh. Right. Let's cause some disruption. Another thing, just before I get out of the van. My tape measures have come. So, what's this? Planet Tools, UK Planet Tools on eBay, right? 2 boxes. Let me open one of these now. Bosch 8 meter tape measure. One of these will outlast a Stanley 8 meter tape measure by 2 to 1, 100%. 12 tape measures coming at £20, something like that. £26. So it was like £2, £2 a minute of tape. £2.16 I think it worked out as per tape measure. I mean, get yourself. I'm not at all sponsored by these yet, but yeah, eBay, 26 quid for 12 tapes. I mean, just throw that one out the window, doesn't even matter. Wasn't even recording, lad. So just taking the screws off this so I can get at the oh no, why have I just noticed that now? Seen that? Hiya. Nice weather for it. Are you alright with being on camera for YouTube?
Of course I am.
Yeah, good. That's a spirit. Spirits are still high even in the rain here. Underneath a gazebo. This is my second gazebo because I did the schoolboy error of leaving it out one weekend when I was doing a job in winter, and I came back and it was the definition of crippled. Yeah, so we've got a manhole cover to go in here, recessed manhole cover. So am I going to show you how I do it? Yes I am. Yes I am. Hey, where's the music? I can't hear it. Done a van? Yeah, that's all we need now is a bit of tunes to keep us going. Wow, it's really coming down now. There's a turn there. Right, so we cut that off there, measure down. Show me the bit of primer on there. Wash it down now, lads. That'll do. Oh, hey, it's lunchtime. Tell you what, we'll get this one in and we'll have lunch, yeah? Yeah, so going well. Me and Tom went for another cafe that place that we went the other day anyway. We've been there earlier. I'm not really hungry now. Just do work through or what? Do you want to have a break? Come on. Do you want to have a break? Come on. These are Kinyo on. Do you want to just like work through and finish earlier? Yeah? Is that right? Yeah, definitely, okay. So we're not going to have a break now? No?
What time's early though?
What time's early? Look, terms and conditions. I tell you what then. If we get to about here. Yeah? Yeah then. Yeah, tile's looking alright. Alright. Cuts over there. I'll show you that when I'm back over there. So the levels, they've been dead thin here. This concrete slab was made. We've got big beds under here. And you can kind of see the pattern that we're trying to do now. So we've got two tiles. We're going to have a jacuzzi area here. So we've got two tiles, and round there, two tiles round. I might have already explained that earlier, but scaffolders are going here. Oh, what a flag. What a flag. Hey Tom, who's going to win tomorrow, Wales or Scotland? Scotland, a pretty good team. But yeah, Yeah, I'm rooting for Wales, obviously. Tom reckons he's been scammed.
Scum.
Oh, right, so we were about here earlier, about lunchtime, and I said, well, obviously, you know what I said. I haven't seen mortar being mixed that quick in a long time. The barrels of mortar were coming full flow, job and knock, yeah? So we've got to here, blasted them in pretty quick, to be honest. Bear in mind, we've not had lunch yet, so I got these in here. This slowed us down quite a bit, to be honest. So what are they doing tomorrow? Anyone fancy working tomorrow? Ah? No. Come on. No, I might be working in my own house. We'll see. So if I do a video tomorrow, you'll see me. If not, this is the end of, is it season 2? I don't know. I have to say thank you to everyone that's given me nice comments, positive stuff. Honestly, I would not be doing this if it wasn't for you guys asking for it. And I did think about this business with the money. If I end up getting money, I'm going to put half of it towards a charity, because I'm only doing this to take the piss, really, so there's no point me spunking all the money. I should be putting it to good use. So I think I know which charity I'm going to give it to. Hiya! What do you reckon? What do you reckon? Yeah, it is, yeah. Right, so customers happy, that's all that matters. Right, I'll see you next week. Right guys, hope you're having a good weekend, and just wanted to show you this is what it's all about. This is why you work so hard during the week. Thanks, Chris. Ollie?
Mum,
I'm Ollie.
I'll wait, Pad. Please, Mum.
Iechyd da.